Here's the RBJ Residential Tower at Town Lake and Interstate 35 and the grounds that surround it. In a meeting with Councilmember Cheryl Cole, she suggested the possibility of a dog park in this location. There's the tower again, and across the street is Edward Rendon Senior Park at Festival Beach. And if you look around the area here, you can see the Lady Bird Lake down in the distance there, and then Interstate 35. This park already features restrooms, expansive grounds going as pretty much as far as the eye can see, plenty of trees with shade, and sidewalks. It's quite clear that the amount of space available here is vastly superior to what exists at the Norwood Dog Park. So this would seem like an obvious possibility.